Alright, check it out. You know, I've seen a lot in my years in real estate with homes, but this is officially the first time I've ever walked in the front door and seen this. Look at this here. Places for chickens all throughout the house where rats have climbed through. Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't put Tony in it.
Oh yeah, off the video. Oh, here's our kitchen. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Oh my God.
See how the rats are actually clawing their way.
Folks, this is a house.
They're way up there.
I've never seen anything like this.
This is a bedroom.
Ever. This is one of the bedrooms. That's not a fancy carpet you're looking at. That's just crap on the carpet.
At least it has smoke alarms.
Well, sure, and probably a carbon monoxide detector too. Oh, you don't even want to see this bathroom. If you're watching this video right now and you don't want to see the bathroom, turn away. Oh my God. All right, I've seen it all.